Animals that start with the letter M. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos. What animal am I? I am a macaque. Macaques are playful monkeys that love to live in big family groups. What animal am I? I am a macaroni penguin. These penguins have funny yellow feathers that look like spaghetti noodles on their heads. What animal am I? I am a macaw. Macaws are colorful parrots that can live for more than 50 years. What animal am I? I am a Madagascar hissing cockroach. They make a loud hiss sound by pushing air through their bodies. What animal am I? I am a Madagascar tree boa. The Madagascar tree boa changes color as it grows older. What animal am I? I am a Magellanic penguin. These penguins build nests in burrows underground to stay safe. What animal am I? I am a maggot. Maggots are baby flies that help clean up nature by eating waste. What animal am I? I am a magpie. Magpies are smart birds that can recognize themselves in mirrors. What animal am I? I am a Maine Coon. This is one of the largest cat breeds, and they have super fluffy tails. What animal am I? I am a mallard. Male mallards have shiny green heads that sparkle in the sun. What animal am I? I am a Maltese. Maltese dogs have long, silky white fur and love being lap dogs. What animal am I? I am a mamba. Mambas are super fast snakes that can move faster than people can run. What animal am I? I am a man-of-war jellyfish. It isn't one animal but a team of tiny animals working together. What animal am I? I am a manatee. Manatees are gentle, sea cows, that love munching on plants. What animal am I? I am a mandrill. Mandrills are monkeys with bright blue and red faces. What animal am I? I am a maned wolf. They look like foxes on stilts because of their long legs. What animal am I? I am a mangrove snake. These snakes live in trees above water and are great climbers. What animal am I? I am a manta ray. Manta rays can have wings as wide as a school bus. What animal am I? I am a mantella frog. These tiny frogs are brightly colored like little jewels. What animal am I? I am a marabou stork. This stork can be as tall as a person and has a huge wingspan. What animal am I? I am a Maren's chicken. Maren's chickens lay beautiful dark brown eggs. What animal am I? I am a margay. Margays are cats that can climb down trees head first like squirrels. What animal am I? I am a marine iguana. These lizards swim in the ocean and sneeze out salt. What animal am I? I am a markhor. Markhors are wild goats with amazing curly horns. What animal am I? I am a marmoset. Marmosets are tiny monkeys that can fit in your hand. What animal am I? I am a marmot. Marmots whistle loudly to warn each other of danger. What animal am I? I am a mason bee. Mason bees are super pollinators and don't sting much. What animal am I? I am a Massassauga. This rattlesnake makes a buzzing sound with its tail to warn others. What animal am I? I am a mastiff. Mastiffs are giant dogs known for their gentle, protective nature. What animal am I? I am a May beetle. Also called June bugs, they love flying toward lights at night. What animal am I? I am a Mayan cichlid. This fish has colorful stripes and spots that shine underwater. What animal am I? I am a mayfly. Mayflies live only for 1 or 2 days as adults. What animal am I? I am a mealworm beetle. Its babies, called mealworms, are snacks for birds and reptiles. What animal am I? I am a meerkat. Meerkats stand on 2 legs to look out for danger. What animal am I? I am a Mekong giant catfish. This freshwater fish can weigh as much as a small car. What animal am I? I am a merganser. These ducks have spiky feathers on their heads like hair gel styles. What animal am I? I am a Mexican black king snake. This shiny black snake helps farmers by eating pests. What animal am I? I am a Mexican eagle. Also called a crested caracara, it's the national bird of Mexico. What animal am I? I am a Mexican free-tailed bat. They can fly super high and fast, even faster than some birds. What animal am I? I am a milk snake. Milk snakes have red, black, and yellow bands, but they're not venomous. What animal am I? I am a milkfish. This fish is often farmed for food and can leap out of water. What animal am I? I am a millipede. Some millipedes have more than 400 legs. What animal am I? I am a mini lop. Mini lop rabbits are small, fluffy, and have droopy ears. What animal am I? I am a miniature pinscher. These little dogs are nicknamed the king of toys. What animal am I? I am a mink. Minks are excellent swimmers and love the water. What animal am I? I am a moccasin snake. Also called cottonmouths, they open their white mouths as a warning. What animal am I? I am a mockingbird. Mockingbirds can copy the songs of other birds and even noises. What animal am I? I am a mole. Moles have big digging hands and live underground. What animal am I? I am a molly. Mollies are small, colorful pet fish. What animal am I? I am a monarch butterfly. Monarchs fly thousands of miles to migrate every year. What animal am I? I am a mongoose. Mongooses are famous for fighting snakes. What animal am I? I am a monitor lizard. Some monitor lizards can grow as long as a car. What animal am I? I am a monkey. Monkeys are playful and love swinging from tree to tree. What animal am I? I am a monkfish. Monkfish have big mouths and hide on the ocean floor to catch food. What animal am I? I am a monocled cobra. This cobra has a round, eye shape on its hood. What animal am I? I am a moon jellyfish. They look like glowing moons floating in the water. What animal am I? I am a moorhen. Moorhens are water birds with red and yellow beaks. What animal am I? I am a moose. Moose are the largest members of the deer family, with giant antlers. What animal am I? I am a moray eel. Moray eels peek out from rocks with scary but helpful smiles. What animal am I? I am a mawkey. Mawkeys are a mix of a Maltese and a Yorkshire Terrier. What animal am I? I am a morpho butterfly. Their wings shine bright blue like magical mirrors. What animal am I? I am a mosquito. Only female mosquitoes bite because they need blood to lay eggs. What animal am I? a moth. Moths are night cousins of butterflies with fuzzy bodies. What animal am I? I am a mountain bluebird. These birds are bright blue and love open meadows. What animal am I? I am a mountain cat. This dog breed is great at hunting and guarding. What animal am I? I am a mountain gorilla. Mountain gorillas live high in forests and share 98% of our DNA. What animal am I? I am a mountain lion. Also called cougars, they can leap 40 feet in one jump. What animal am I? I am a mourning dove. Their soft, cooing call sounds sad but calming. What animal am I? I am a mouse. Mice have sharp teeth that never stop growing. What animal am I? I am a mudskipper. Mudskippers are fish that can walk on land using their fins. What animal am I? I am a mule. Mules are a cross between a horse and a donkey, very strong and tough. What animal am I? I am a mule deer. Mule deer have huge ears that look like mule ears. What animal am I? I am a mullet fish. Mullet fish can jump out of the water and splash around. What animal am I? I am a muntjac. These small deer bark like little dogs when scared. What animal am I? I am a Muscovy duck. Muscovy ducks have red, bumpy faces that look very unique. What animal am I? I am a musk deer. Male musk deer have long tusks instead of antlers. What animal am I? I am a muskox. Muskoxen stay warm in freezing places with super thick fur. What animal am I? I am a muskrat. Muskrats build lodges in the water, like beavers. What animal am I? I am a minor bird. Minor birds can mimic human speech like parrots. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.